everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn polynomial chapter exercise 2.3 question number 1. Now let's read the question. Divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Okay. So here we have the first question, that is minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and here gx is x square minus 2. So here we have to divide the polynomial. So here g of x will be the divisor, and here p of x will be the dividend. So here now we have to get x cube. So here we have x square. So when we add x square plus x is equal to x cube. Okay, so that becomes x cube. Now x into, so here minus 2 into x, that becomes minus 2x. So here now we have to write this minus 2x where we have the x value. So we'll write here, that becomes minus 2x. So here minus and here plus. Minus plus it will cancel, and here 3x square. Now here you can see plus plus, when we plus is again plus, that becomes plus 7x, and here minus 3. So here minus 3. So here we have to get minus 3x square. So we are multiplying by minus 3. So that becomes minus 3 into x square is equal to minus 3x square. So here minus 3x square, 3 2s is 6. So that becomes minus 6. Minus minus is plus. So that becomes minus minus plus, that becomes plus 6. And here plus, and here minus. This both will cancel, and that becomes 7x. Minus minus is plus, as I told you here. That becomes minus 9. Okay. So this is our first sub question. Okay. So here we have the second sub question, that is p of x is x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and here g of x is x square plus 1 minus x. So here g of x becomes our dividend, that is x square plus 1 minus x, and the p of x is x4. So here you can see we have x4, and next we don't have x cube. So here we will write x cube, that becomes plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay. So here first we have x4 here. So here x square plus x square. So x square into x square is x4. And here next x square into 1 is equal to x square. So we'll write x square here. That becomes plus x square, and x square into x square in plus x is equal to x cube. So here plus x cube. Okay. Now this plus here will become minus, and here plus will become minus, and here also minus. So plus minus this will cancel, and here, so here 0x cube plus x cube, 0x will cancel, and the remaining is x cube. So here x cube minus, so here minus minus plus, so here minus 3x square minus x cube, minus minus is plus, that becomes 4x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay. So here we have x square, so plus x, that becomes x cube. So here x cube and minus. So here x plus 1 is equal to, that becomes again x. So here plus x, and here x square, x into x, that becomes x square, so minus x square. So here plus we have, that becomes minus, here minus, that becomes plus, and again here minus. So this plus minus will cancel, and here we have plus and minus here, that becomes, we have to subtract this, that becomes minus 3x square plus minus is minus, that becomes 4x square minus x square is 3x plus 5. So now here minus 3. So here minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Okay, minus 3x square. And minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. And here minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Okay, so that becomes here plus, here also plus, and here also plus. So now this will cancel, plus minus, and here it will become 6 plus 6. Here plus is equal to plus, minus is also plus minus is minus, and here plus minus is again minus. So here that becomes here 6x plus, so here we have the greater sign 5, so here plus, and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So this is the quotient, and this is the remainder, and this is the quotient. Okay, so here we have the third sub question, that is p of x is x4 minus 5x plus 6, and here g of x is 2 minus x square. So here you can see that x square, see here ax square plus bx plus c, this is our quadratic equation. So here you can see that x square is front and the constant term comes the next, but here it's ulta, so that becomes x square minus 2. So this is our g of x. So here g of x is x square minus 2, and p of x is x4 minus, so here you can see that we don't have the x3 term, so here minus 0x3, and here we don't have x square also, so 0x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, so this is our p of x. So now let's divide. So that becomes, we have x square is here, and x square plus x square is x4. So that becomes x4, and x square minus 2x, that becomes minus 2x square. So here we'll write down where here x square is there. So that becomes minus 2x square. So here minus, and here plus. And minus plus here will cancel, and that becomes 0x cube and minus 2x square. So here how minus 2x square came? 0x square minus 2x square, not minus, plus 2x square. 0 into any number is 0, plus 2x square, we have here 2x square. Okay, so now here minus 5x plus 6. Now here minus 2. Okay, so here 0 into any number is 0, so this will become again 0 here. Okay, so your minus 2x square is minus 2x square, and your minus 2 that becomes minus 2 minus 2, that becomes minus 4. So that becomes minus 4. So here that becomes plus, and here also it becomes plus. So plus minus it will cancel, and 5x plus 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is our remainder, and this is the quotient. So this was the last of 2.3 exercise question number 1. If you like our channel, please subscribe and like. Thank you.